talk with you again. You cause a vision softly creeping, left in sea while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light, it split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Who said I do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and all my heart teach you. Take my arms and all my heart you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echoing in the walls of silence. And the people crowded prayed to the neon god they made. In the silence, shouting his warning. In the words that echo us calling. In the signs said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls. In tenement halls, whispered in the sound.